Hello everybody, welcome back to my another video. So today we'll be talking about how to fix Facebook account email already in use error. So to fix this issue, what you can do is go to your Facebook login page and then tap on forgotten password to regain access to the old account. So once logged in, tap on three-line menu at the top left corner of your screen and then tap on settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, go to your settings and then your account center. Now tap on the profiles and personal details. Once you go to personal details, you will see a contact info. Now remove the email and then sign up with a new email address if you do not want to recover the old account. Now if you tried to create an account and got this error, check your email for confirmation link to finish setting up the existing account instead of creating a new one. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.